Then as we drop down from the dead trees, we just have this little area of bladed sycamore, Scottish pine, a couple of some oak, usual sort of size oak, nothing dramatically old, probably 120, 150 years old max. Quite a few of them down here, and then below that quite an area of Scottish pine again, and holly. Take this little deer route down here. There's not a lot of fungus I've not noticed, but again it's February, fungus time is usually in the autumn. And the cold, coming out of a cold snap at the moment. And then there's another little stream here. Which goes down to the bottom central track and the big pond, if you like,